Welcome back to another Chart Nerd TA video. Today I'm diving back into XRP. I'm looking on the 4-hour time frame right now, and you can see here I've got a couple of trend lines in. So you can see that right here, this white trend line here, okay, is XRP support right now. Okay, throughout this breakout and this 70% upside that it melted up to. Okay, and right now it's just within a retracement, looking to hold support here on this trend line. So for me, what might give the game away, whether XRP is going to start retracing here or whether it's going to break out, you're basically getting squeezed into this corner right here. Okay, you're getting compressed into this corner with this level of resistance above your head coming down on you. Okay, and you've got this level of ascending support where you're coiling up right now. So you are looking for some sort of break relatively soon, and you are getting squeezed basically into a little corner here where a breakout is going to occur. So, you know, if you do come down and you start to hit your head on this as resistance and you start to come down and retest these lows down here, ultimately if you lose this low here, okay, so if sorry for the noise in the background, guys, I've got my window open, I should really close it. But if XRP, you know, if XRP does start to fall out of this ascending level of support and does lose local lows, we kind of need around 41 cents to hold, because you'll be retracing to this low, and if you lose this low here, and if you lose that, ultimately you're coming down to retrace to this low where you came from on the 4-hour time frame. So for me, I mean, at the moment, what you're also potentially doing here on the 4-hour is back testing support. Okay, right now we've basically coiled up in this smaller pattern here where we had this level of support, resistance, higher level of support. You broke out, okay, you ran up and met your target, and right now you're literally just coming back for support on where you previously broke out of. So that's two very strong factors there that XRP might actually be bouncing here on the smaller time frames, because as I said, you've got this ascending level of support here which has been in play from the 16th of September. Okay, you've been holding this level of support on your corrections down, okay, and right now from the 23rd of September to current, you've got this level of resistance coming down, and you're basically back testing where you broke out of and falling on this trend line. For me, it does look like at least you're going to come up and retest this resistance and potentially then pull back and squeeze. But right now there is a break coming, okay, within the next, maybe by tomorrow, within the start of the week, we'll find out what's occurring. You can see here also the XRP right now is falling on the 4-hour 55 EMA, okay, and it's looking to hold this as support. Forgive me, I live above a high street, so it's very, very busy. So yeah, I do think you are starting looking to push up and retest this level of resistance. There's even smaller patterns in play here that gave us this target to where we are now and where we're bouncing from on the 4-hour. So if you look here, we also had some sort of descending triangle, okay, which is a horizontal level of support, and we was coiling up like this, okay, and we lost support and we fell and met the technical target. So the technical target for that was from around there to there, and you can see that when XRP lost support, it came down and met its target, and you're now bouncing off this ascending level of support. So for me, it does look like you're going to come back up and retest this previous horizontal resistance line right now. So we'll see XRP potentially do something like this, where okay, so you had this pattern here, okay, this mini horizontal triangle, descending triangle, sorry, you lost it, and right now you found support and you're looking to come back up to that horizontal as resistance, okay, and the 20 EMA on the 4-hour. So it's basically getting into some sort of crunch time, okay. We need to see a break, hold a level of support here, okay, holding previous double bottom breakout, okay, so you broke out, descending triangle, back test for support, and now you're looking to break out, okay. We need to break out, and for us to do so, I think it would be nice to see closes back above this resistance here at a price of around 47 cents. You know, if you start to get back above 47 cents and you're breaking this resistance line above you, and you're breaking this descending triangle resistance that you previously lost and was holding as support, if you start to break through that and XRP does do something like this and comes back for support, then you're looking to re-attack this high and ultimately the high up here of which you're coming from, because I did have another level of resistance in here. Okay, so we do have this 55 cent of which XRP pumped up to a few days ago. Right now you could be in this wave 1, okay, a wave 2 correction, and right now you're looking to break out and build this wave 3 to higher targets. So potential targets to the upside, okay, I was just showing you all these basically patterns at the moment. I'm going to get some indicators and different bits and bobs in right now. I'm going to take these EMAs off for a second, okay, and what we're going to look at here is from if this is the low right now and we are bouncing off of this support, okay, from there to there, if XRP does start to come up and tackle, as I said, back above 47 cents, okay, and you do start to get yourself back above these fibs, if you come up and hold and break 51 cents, okay, if we come up again and break 51 cents, my minimum target is 52, between 52 and 55, okay, and at that point, okay, you can see that you will be retracing back up to this all-time high here. So if we do retrace to the 1 fib here and do something like this and get this third wave, hold this level of ascending support, sorry, let me get that level of support in again. So if we start holding this level of support here, okay, and start bouncing off this, working our way back up and tackling this, I do think potentially you come back for a higher level of support here and then start to melt up and meet these targets, and at which stage you will be attacking this 1 fib, won't you? So for me, at the moment, hold support, don't go short, basically. Technical targets would be the 55 cents if we do tackle 51. But right now, we do need to see ourselves close above 47. Okay, we do need to close above the 050 and the 0618, because these are key areas that potentially, if you do start to come up like this, okay, and you hit your head here and fail to break through, and you start rolling down and losing this low right now that we have and turning that to resistance, you are looking to come back down and test these lows here. And as I've said, you will be losing that sort of ascending level of support, and it could be quite negative for XRP. So for me right now, it literally is that sort of crunch time, isn't it? It is that crunch time. It's a game of resistance and support, and right now XRP is in this line of ascending support, looking to hold here and potentially come back up, retest this local high. If it does retest that local high and get back above it, ultimately you're looking at the 1618 at the 55 cents, okay, which I just showed you on the fibs. So the downside targets for me, if we do say retrace back down to, see, this is why I honestly, in my mind, I feel like right now we are looking for a bit of a bounce, okay, at least some sort of relief in the next coming few hours, because look, XRP is also within this retracement from this high back down to this low, okay, because you came up like this, higher low, didn't you? Okay, you broke out, met the target, you're retracing back to that level, okay, you've bounced back. It's a 702 as well. XRP loves coming down to the 702 on fib retracement, so this level right here for support, okay, for support. So you've broken out into a technical target and you've come back down to the 702, the ascending triangle trend line, the previous resistance now looking to turn to support. To me, it looks like we're going to get a bit more of a bounce and maybe a little bit more further extension in the coming week or two for XRP here. But yeah, as I was saying, if you do start to lose this trend line and this 702 at 45 cents, if we lose 45 cents and hit our heads on that, ultimately you're looking to come back down and retest these lows down here, okay, and at that point again, if you was to lose the 1 fib at 42 cents and you did lose this low, I did something like this, for me your minimal target is between 40 to 38 cents to the downside. Okay, so they would be my downside targets if you did lose this ascending level of support. You did start to fall below your 1 fib at 42 cents, and then these, yeah, would be the breakdown targets if you did start to lose that. Okay guys, so that's a quick update today on XRP. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Watch out for the breakout here. As I said, we've got this squeeze. Okay, you've got this squeeze coming in on yourself, and you've got this ascending level of support here. Do watch what occurs in this sort of time frame here, okay, because potentially by the 4th of October is where XRP could make the decision to either break out to the upside or start its retracement back down to further lows, okay. So you're either looking to retrace up to these highs or you're looking to come down to these lows, okay. So yeah, that's a quick update on XRP. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. From Chartner TA, until next time, peace out.